ABA TechShow, day one, talking to Michael Dunning of NextPoint. And NextPoint is based right here in Chicago.
Right here in Chicago.
And Michael, give me the lowdown. What is NextPoint? Why are they here? Have they been here before?
Yeah, this is our first year exhibiting here at the ABA TechShow. But the lowdown of NextPoint is a suite of cloud-based applications. We start with our cloud preservation, which is a social media and website preservation tool. So we're going to be able to crawl and archive any of the web material that's out there. So that could be Twitter, Facebook, a blog page, or even a Facebook.
But now wait a minute. Now are you doing discovery? Are you finding relevant information, or what are you doing?
Yeah, this is actually just archiving. This is all preservation and archiving. So actually, it could be relevant information.
But what I mean is, what your customer, your client, would be asking you would be saying what? We have a Twitter feed, we have a Facebook page, we have a web page. Archive.
Right? So so we set up these little spiders that will actually go and crawl web content and take a snapshot of what's out there and preserve it. So it's an online database that you're then be able to log in and say, oh, I want to know what you posted on Twitter 2 weeks ago, and there's your Twitter post right there.
Okay, and now why would they do that? Regulatory pressure?
Yeah, regulatory. I mean, I think right now a lot of financial advisors have a big need for our software just because of FINRA regulations and whatnot, but a lot of our clients some of the firms are using this just for their own clients to start kind of proactive crawling and preserving, so it's there already. They have the documentation. It's already available. Okay,
so you have cloud preservation. There are three products featured here. Cloud preservation is the first one. Correct. We just talked about it.
Yep.
Then Discovery Cloud, and then Trial Cloud. Tell us about Discovery Cloud.
Yeah, so Discovery Cloud would be the online document review portion of our applications. So we're going to take it could be native files, it could be stuff that's already been produced, and we're going to push it up into the clouds. It's going to be a full review capability platform. So redaction, bait stamping, searching, maybe time frames or custodians, hot words, hot topics. So the full robust features of having an online platform for anybody at the office, and they can work at it obviously being cloud-based anywhere without the office. The brilliant thing about it being online is we're using Amazon Web Services to actually host this information. And with that being said, we can handle large amounts of information at the fraction of a cost what a typical installed software would normally run you to have the server space to handle this type of information.
What about Trial Cloud?
Trial Cloud would be moving in towards the end, which you are about to go to trial, and you would actually need to do prep work for this particular trial. So creating the demonstratives, getting the presentations put together, doc treatment, evidence review, and then deposition work and transcript work. So all of this is at the very end of the cycle. It can actually be worked. There's a theater mode, so it can actually show you what you're going to be doing, what you're going to be presenting with. We actually have a few attorneys that have used it actually in court. It's just with it being cloud-based, it has a lot to do with the connectivity at that particular moment. But most of our folks that use the Trial Cloud would do all their work and actually export it. We have a standard export into Trial Director, and they would actually use Trial Director in the court.
And Trial Director is a product made by whom?
I'm not too sure. Trial Director. I just know that's the most commonly used in-house kind of trial platform that they use actually in the court. So we just make it easy with the standard export to get that information out.
Give me an idea of the price point, and where can people find out more information?
People can find out more information at our website, nextpoint.com. Price point really varies. The Discovery Cloud and the Trial Cloud are a shared hosting, and we really look at it as far as what's going to be the gigabytes hosted on there. At a per gigabyte per month, we're looking at $25 per month. And it's shared hosting, so you can be doing work in both Discovery Cloud and Trial Cloud. We do have annual plans that can get you in the door as low as $5 per month, with a basic minimum plan right here is at $900 per year, and that's up to 5 users and 15 gigabytes, so it's $75 per month. And that's shared hosting for Discovery Cloud and Trial Cloud. Cloud preservation is a little bit different. The pricing structure is a little different on that, but same thing. A per month use, $15 per month gets you 5 feeds that can be crawled. And we'll go for anything more than that. We'll have to look at an enterprise type level.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.